Hey, what's going on, guys? Sterling the Investor here. And in today's video, we're going to talk about our Forex preview, our weekly Forex breakdown. But first, I'll start it off by taking a look at the S&P 500 because I know a lot of you guys are like me. You actively trade Forex. However, you're long-term investors in the stock market. So just based off of our last preview, the market started to do what we thought it would do and break down around that 61.8 retracement. However, that was a fake out. It wasn't a complete breakdown. It was more so just a pullback into this overall, you know, uptrend that we had going on the S&P 500, which I mean, I'm actually happy. I mean, it actually means that the market will probably carry whatever stocks you own up. So that's good. Price is making higher highs and higher lows on the way up. We've got this major zone of structure right here. I think if we can get past this zone of structure, if price breaks through there, we could be in good shape for a while. So we'll just wait and see what happens. And but we're buying whole stock investors. So what happens in the short term isn't really a huge deal to us. However, I always like to just keep an eye on it. So let's pop over to Euro Yen. This is a pair that I was looking at earlier this week. So we pop over to Euro Yen. Price is still kind of in a weird place because of that crazy spike down. We still haven't built great structure. However, we have been in a nice range bound market, and we've been able to catch some moves up and down without getting to either extreme, and making some money here on a 4-hour chart. Using that for our overall trend, and then we've been breaking down to the 30-minute chart. As far as any trades that we can look at for this week coming up, we've got a strong bullish candle here. I would say if that closes and we get one more strong bullish candle, or you could start looking for the entry now. You break down to your 30-minute chart. I'll wait for a little bit of a pullback, maybe into here. Because if we throw our Fibonacci on there, that's probably going to be around a 61.8 retracement. Let's do it. So yeah, I'll probably wait for 50% 61.8 retracement, and then take it back up higher through here into targets around here. So that's what I do. I'll wait for price to pull back a little bit, and then get into the market. And then if you miss it, you miss it. However, you avoid getting into a bad trade trying to be too aggressive. All right, let's pop over to USD Canadian dollar. All right, so as you can see, we were doing some work on this chart throughout the week. We end up actually getting into a losing trade that didn't work out too well for us, but that's okay. Right now, we're kind of at a what I like to refer to as like an equal level. Price is just kind of ranging around that 500 moving average. We don't have really a clear bias. If you wanted to, you could start looking for some for a strong bullish candle. Wait for price to slow down. A bullish candle to push us back up above the 500 moving average. Maybe price gets down into this zone of structure here, and then you start to see it slow down as it is right now. And then a strong bullish candle, you could be looking to get long on USD Canadian dollar. So let's pop over to Euro USD, a pair we all love to trade. Euro USD, if we go out to the bigger time frames, I've been doing a lot of work on this chart, so you guys can see I've got it pre-marked up already. But price is overall trending down. Price has slowed down, and we got long here toward the end of last week. It was actually yesterday we got long, and we're up a little bit on this position. The reason we got long is because of this zone of structure. Price tends to reverse when it comes into this area. So you had price pop up here. It broke down, broke this zone there, but did retrace, came down into the zone here, popped up, came down into the zone here, popped up, tapped the zone, popped up, came back into the zone, popped up. So there's no reason for us to think that price wouldn't do the same thing. So we decided to get involved, even though it was a steep descending downtrend. With we decided to take a counter trend trade, and we don't have a set target right now. However, I'm planning to probably take profits around here. This seems like a pretty busy area for where price is like to come. So we'll be looking to take it up into there. If we can get there, that would be a great gain. So for everybody that's new to the channel, this is a video that we do every week. Well, pretty much every week, unless something comes up, where we just break down 3 or 4 charts, do some technical analysis, review some positions that we're currently in, and we also go over some possible positions to get in this week. So speaking of to get in this week, even though we're in already, it's not too late to get in here. As you can see, this strong bullish candle is pushing up here. If you wanted to get in or wait for a little pullback to get a little more conservative position, that will be fine too. But it is definitely not too late to get into this position if that's something that you guys would like to look into. So yeah, so we just do this every week. If you guys have any questions, I'll just leave them in the comments below. Shoot us an email, connect with me on Instagram, Twitter. I love to network with you guys, and then we'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a great weekend.